Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make curry leaves chutney. It is really healthy, and if you are bored of regular chutneys, then this is a chutney you should try. So first take a pan on medium heat and add oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And once the oil is hot, you can add 1 tablespoon of jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Then I'm taking 1 medium onion roughly chopped, 1.5 inch of ginger roughly chopped, 3 big garlic cloves, and red chilies to taste. You can also add green chilies if you want. And you can add little bit of salt so that the onions will cook faster. So without covering the onions, just fry them till they are nice and translucent. We don't want to brown the onions. We just want to fry them well so that the raw smell is gone. So keep stirring in between. So now I'm adding 1 small lemon sized tamarind cut into small pieces. And I'm also going to add 1 cup of fresh curry leaves that I washed. You can also use frozen if you have. So fry until the curry leaves wilt and you get nice aroma once they start frying. So as you can see, curry leaves are also fried well, and the bottom is not burnt, it's just the tamarind got stuck to the pan. So now turn off the heat, let it cool for a bit, and then transfer it into a grinder jar. I have transferred it into the grinder jar. Now I'm going to add salt to taste, and without adding any water, I'm going to pulse it few times to make it a thick chutney. So in between you have to scrape the sides so that it blends together. So few pulses, you don't need to add any water. So this is a thick chutney. You can spread it on dosas, you can eat it with rice. If you like this consistency, you can take it now into a serving bowl. But I'm going to show you another variation as well. So now I'm going to add water and make it into a slightly loose chutney. So that goes well with idli, dosa, upma. As you can see, I have added enough water to make a nice chutney consistency. You can add more water if you want. Add more salt if required. Now I'm going to add tadka to the chutney. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of jeera. You can also add mustard seeds if you want. And fry them till the urad dal gets nice color. And to finish it off, I'm going to add few curry leaves and fry for a couple more seconds. And our tadka is ready. Now add this to the chutney. So I'm going to add a little bit to the thick chutney and little bit to the loose chutney. So here I'm serving curry leaves chutney along with some hot idlis. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check the full written recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. It really supports my channel. And give a big thumbs up to this video. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.